The name of our baby girl is Aria Marie. I'm so excited. I'm actually gonna cry. Oh my. Really special day. We're on our way to have Aria. Say hello, Rob.
Hey everybody.
So I just can't relax here for an hour and a half before my C-section? No. So now I gotta deal with contractions.
Hi everyone! Introducing Aria Marie. She's here.
Finally made it.
Finally made it.
So we are on our way home with Princess Aya to see her big brother.
Setting up for the shower for the mommy to be. Shower. This is all my beautiful stuff I brought my sister. Excited. And here's Robbie. Say hi, Robbie. Say we're excited for Auntie's shower to start, right? He looks so cute. Legoland. We are here. I can't tell you guys how massive this sign is. It's so massive and gorgeous in person. I'm looking at my little munchkin. He found a little friend. Robbie's favorite superhero is Spider-Man, so of course we had to go with the Spider-Man one, but oh my God!